Hello, motivation seekers. Welcome back to our channel. The topic of our today's video is what to do when you feel lost in life. There comes a moment in life when you wake up and feel empty. Not tired, not lazy, just lost. You don't know what direction you are going. You don't know what you are supposed to do next. You feel like everyone else has a plan, a purpose, a map, and you are just standing still while life keeps moving forward. You try to stay positive, but inside you are confused. You question your decisions, you question your worth, you even question yourself. If you feel lost in life right now, listen carefully. This is not the end of your story. This is the pause before your breakthrough. And today we are going to talk about what to do when you feel lost step by step. Accept that feeling lost is a part of growth. First, understand this truth. Feeling lost does not mean you are failing. It means you are growing. Every powerful transformation begins with confusion. Every meaningful life change begins with discomfort. Every strong person has once felt unsure of who they are becoming. When you feel lost, it means your old life no longer fits. Your old mindset no longer satisfies you. Your old goals no longer inspire you. That is not weakness, that is evolution. Stop fighting the feeling, stop running from it, sit with it and listen to it. Because sometimes feeling lost is a life way of telling you there is more for you. Stop comparing your life to the others. One of the biggest reasons you feel lost is comparison. You look at others and think they are ahead, they figured it out, they are successful, they are confident, they know what they want. But here is the truth no one tells you. You are comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. Everyone is fighting battles you cannot see. Everyone has doubts they don't post. Everyone has moments of fear, confusion, and breakdown. Life is not a race. There is no universal timeline. Some people find success early, some find it late. Some change paths 10 times before finding peace. And that's okay. Your journey is yours and yours alone. You don't need to know everything right now. You don't need a 10-year plan. You don't need all the answers. You don't need to know your final destination. You only need to know your next step. Life is not revealed all at once. It unfolds step by step. When you pressure yourself to have everything figured out, you create anxiety, you create fear, you block clarity. Instead, ask yourself, what is one small step I can take today? What is one habit I can improve? What is one thing I can let go of? Progress brings clarity, not the other way around. Reconnect with your inner voice. When you feel lost, it is often because you have disconnected from yourself. You have been listening to society, expectations, opinions, noises, pressure, but you stop listening to you. Take time to be alone, not lonely, but alone. In silence, ask yourself, what drains my energy? What gives me peace? What makes me feel alive? What no longer aligns with who I am becoming? Your inner voice already knows the direction. You have just been too busy to hear it. Silence brings clarity. Stillness brings answers. Let go of hope. Let go of who you used to be. Sometimes you feel lost because you are holding on to a version of yourself that no longer exists. You keep trying to be who you were before failure, who you were before heartbreak, who you were before disappointment. But you are not that person anymore, and that's okay. Growth requires release. Transformation requires surrender. Let go of old identities, old mistakes, old guilt, old regrets. You are not your past. You are not your failures. You are not your worst days. You are who you choose to be next. Turn confusion into self-discovery. Instead of asking why am I lost, ask what is this phase teaching me? Confusion is a teacher, pain is a guide, uncertainty is a signal. This phase is teaching you what you don't want, what doesn't fulfill you, what no longer aligns with your values, and that knowledge is powerful. You don't need to know your purpose immediately. Purpose is built through action, curiosity, and courage. So explore, try, fail, learn, and then adjust. That's how purpose is formed. Build discipline when motivation is gone. When you feel lost and motivation disappears, you don't feel like doing anything. That's when discipline becomes your anchor. Discipline means showing up even when you don't feel like it, taking actions even without clarity, moving forward even in uncertainty. You don't need to feel inspired to improve your life. You need to decide. Start with small disciplines. Wake up on time, exercise your body, read something positive, clean your space, limit negativity. Small actions restores confidence. Consistency restores direction. Take responsibility for your life. This part is hard but necessary. No one is coming to save you. No one is responsible for your happiness but you. That's not discouraging, that's empowering. When you take responsibility, you regain control, you reclaim power. You stop feeling helpless. Your past does not define you. Your circumstances do not own you. Your mistakes do not control you. But your choices do. And from this moment forward, you can choose differently. Trust that this phase will pass. Nothing in life is permanent. Not pain, not confusion, not feeling lost. This phase is temporary. It's preparing you for something greater. You may not see it now, you may not understand it now, but one day you will look back and realize this is where I became stronger. This is where I grew. This is where my life changed. Storms don't come to destroy you, they come to clear your path. Create meaning through action. You don't find meaning by thinking, you create meaning by doing. Take action even when you are unsure. Move even when you are afraid. Start even when you are not ready. Action builds confidence. Action builds clarity. Action builds momentum. Waiting for certainty will keep you stuck. Moving forward will set you free. Believe that you are not behind. You are not late, you are not broken, you are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be to become who you are meant to be. Life doesn't make mistakes. Every delay has a purpose. Every detour has a lesson. Trust the process. Trust your journey. Trust yourself. If you feel lost in life, hear this clearly. You are not lost. You are becoming. You are becoming stronger, becoming wiser, becoming more aware, becoming more aligned. This chapter may feel uncomfortable, but it is shaping the next version of you. Don't quit, don't give up, don't lose faith. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. So keep moving, keep believing, and keep growing. Because one day, this confusion will turn into clarity, and this pain will turn into power.